Welcome to Mindfulness of Emotions. Feeling is healing. Emotions are waves of energy passing through you. They are transient in nature. Yet, when you are in the middle of a strong, difficult emotion, it might feel that it has no end. In this mindful practice, you learn to be present with your emotions and feeling them fully. And that is the way to healing. Now, whatever emotion you are feeling, recognize it. That is the first step. Maybe there are several emotions present at the same time. Take a few moments to recognize what emotions are present. And when you can, softly label them, like sadness, anxiety, fear. You don't have to be accurate. Without shame or blame, accept that you are having this emotion. It is not the absolute truth, but it is real in this moment. Having difficult emotions is a natural part of being human. And it's common that you find it hard to accept. Yet allow yourself to feel this emotion with compassion and understanding towards yourself. Be your own good friend. Be there for yourself in this moment when you need it the most. Simply be present with the emotion. Bear witness to it without needing to do or change anything about this feeling, no matter how intense or threatening it might seem. Fighting it will cause more harm and stress in your system. Therefore, accept, feel, and accept. Feel and accept. When you feel you somewhat accepted the emotion, prepare to move a bit deeper into it and explore how it manifests as sensations in your body. And avoid going into a story about the emotion, such as why it's there. Simply feel the corresponding physical sensations. Where is the sensation of this emotion located in your body? Bring your feeling gently into it. At first, only exploring the edges, like you're walking around the shore of this emotional field, tracing the edges of the sensations. Trace along the edge of the sensation, right where the sensation fuses into the neutral parts of the body. Now shift your attention and feeling fully into a neutral part of the body, like your head, your toes or fingers, and rest there, perhaps taking a few deep, slow breaths. Now, return to the area of sensation this time. Move past the edge towards its center, where the emotion feels most intense, and approach it with a gentle courage, knowing that this is the work to do transformation and healing work. Feel. Feel your way towards the center and explore, observe. Does the sensation change? Does it intensify? Does it shift to another location? Is there heat, cold, tightness? Feel and open up to the sensation. Let it be as it is. Only feeling, no thinking. Feeling is healing. You don't need to know what happens next. Simply feel the now. Be with exactly with what is happening and with the experience you are having. Now slowly shift back into your neutral station if you feel the need, and rest there for a few moments. Whenever you feel ready, you dive again into the emotion and explore it intuitively. Maybe some images arise, or words, or colors. Don't analyze, keep feeling. Surrender to whatever sensations are passing through you. Are you sensing now there is some extra awareness space around the emotion? Can you see the emotion as the emotion instead of my emotion? Even if it's still present, can you let go of identifying yourself with this emotion? This emotion is not you. It is passing through you. You don't have to take it personally. Can you see now that it's a wave? Now expand your awareness throughout your whole physical interior. Feeling all the parts of the body: right leg, left leg, right arm, left arm, belly, chest, neck, and head. Feel all the parts of the body together, the whole physical body. Gather a big, slow breath through the nose. And exhale, relax the body head to toe. And feel the touch with the ground and the touch of whatever surface is supporting you. Thank yourself for having allowed yourself to feel this emotion. Thank yourself for being brave. And forgive yourself, as it's okay that you don't have to feel perfect all the time. And what you feel right now is perfect in this moment.